Good morning, guys. Hello. We'll get started in 8 minutes, right? I'm just busy doing some stuff in the Discord, catching up on some things, and then we'll get started, all right? 8:30, we will start. See you in a bit. Good morning, guys. For those who joined, good morning. We'll get started in about 6 minutes, all right? Post some questions, tickers. I'll get through every single one of your questions as we get started, all right? See you in a bit. Good morning. For those who just joined, we'll start in 3 minutes, all right? Post some tickers, questions, and we'll get started in a bit. See you in a minute. Radio, let's get started here. All right, let's get started. Let's get started. So we have UAVs. Everyone's asking about UAVs. Nothing for me on this. Guys, it's Friday. I'm not even going to be trading today. I don't have time, unfortunately, at market open because I've got to go play some football. Due to the clock's change, I don't have any time to trade during intraday. However, the easiest way to trade, Fridays is focus on the movers. That's it. Friday. You don't need to try and find which one's going to run, hope something will run. UAVs is down 5%. Yes, it can run, but why are we going to try and hope that it's going to run when there's something, you know, that has a much higher probability? So UAVs, wait for 411 break. 4 entries, right? If you break above 411, that could be a nice entry point. That's what I would personally look for, you know? Right, let me go to these Twitter. ANRO, someone asked for ANRO. ANRO, absolutely no volume, nothing for me. Maybe a bull flag forming, something like this. Possibly. But yeah, I'm not really interested. ANRO, oh no, bull flag setup. But Fridays are the easiest days to trade, in my opinion, if you understand how volume works. Movers are very easy to find because there's only 1 or 2. Focus on those, take the trade, get out, go enjoy the weekend. It's kind of how it is. But yeah, fortunately I cannot because I will be playing football. FFI is extremely bearish. You see, downtrend, nothing. Maybe there's reversal coming, but I don't know. I don't see anything unless it's 225. 225, then I'll feel a lot more confident, you know? Guys, a lot of people, right? I know a lot of people are new to trading and I have to understand that sometimes, but people are entering trades out of stop loss and I don't understand what the goal is. Like, guys, cut your loss and move on. You need to have a stop loss in place. You need to have a trading plan before you enter a trade. You cannot just get in a trade, you know, and hope and pray that it's going to go up. You need to have your stop loss, cut your loss, move on. You know, that's the way to trade. Don't be, you know, trying to get in a trade, just holding. Too much shit going on. Especially now with the markets, how it is, you got to be quick. Because if it goes down, it's going down quick. My prediction on game is still intact. Expecting it to go up 29.79. Then you got some nice room too, 33.70. Hasn't ran in a while. Hello Kitty has disappeared. He's left his fans. Needs 0.4079 break. Right. Nothing on that. TRVC, very bearish chart. Just catching up on the tickers on Twitter, guys. I'll get you guys in a minute. Everyone post some questions, tickers, and we'll get started with that in a minute. VMAR. Another one. Nothing for me on VMR. Downtrend break. So you'll see, I'll just very quickly with these charts, because a lot of them aren't very good at all, to be honest. VMR, downtrend. Right, if I say downtrend, that means you have to wait for the downtrend to break to enter. Very simple. Right, don't try and buy now because it's going down. Wait for the candle to break above. LAC still in bullish pennant. I don't know what's going to happen with this. I like crypto for the weekend, to be honest. Had a nice little pullback, so we'll see what happens with that. Rally the weekend. A lot of people are spamming me game. I don't know why. I don't really care. Game. Everyone loves game. Is there something happening with game? ASST. Easy chart to chart. Very simple. Stevie Wonder's done this chart as well, so I'll just copy his. 139 is the break. Otherwise, nothing. 139 break equals entries. Anything below equals no entries, right? So that should be a very simple, easy chart. All of you guys already know what this purple line is, so I don't need to go over that as well. All right. ISPC, what's happening with this? 15% up. What's the 4 hour looking like? A lot of resistance here. We have a big resistance level right here. I think this is a fake candle, so I'm going to use something like this. 535 is your resistance. Nice. 535 break could be entries, but this is a pump and dump play, meaning that it should get pumped and then it'll come straight down. So I would avoid something like that. All right. Fantastic pre-market this morning, which was very nice from us in the Discord. I hope you guys caught on some of them on Twitter as well, which I gave. So yeah, it was very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Fortunately, it is on my small account, but it is what it is. Right, let me have a look. Go agree, go STI, let's go. Fuel cell, let me have a look. Nice, fuel cell's looking good, up 16%, very nice. Next resistance level is here at 850. I know someone did mention this one in Discord. But it looks like the news was very delayed on this. So we'll see. We will see. 850 break. Close above 850 at 941. I think I put that one on in the Discord there. Hi. Good morning, guys. What up? BENF 57%. Let me clean this chart up. So right now I'm going to draw the chart. We have a bearish trend, which is in a downtrend. Yeah, for me, nothing on this at the moment. Maybe a falling wedge setup, possibly. It's a demand zone. Here's your demand zone, like this. Cool. Let's put it down a little bit. There you go. That's your demand zone. We'll see what it does do. It looks okay. It's not really my cup of tea at the moment. It is over $1 though, which is nice to trade. So this is expected to break out. Would I enter now? No, because I don't like buying stuff at before open. But yeah, it's setting up for a breakout. It's in a falling wedge, so you expect price to break up. Right, SVMH down 14%. Terrible chart. I would leave it alone. Nothing on this. You're at support right here. Your support's like here. It's 2 cents, guys. Just leave this thing alone. Aaron's still good to enter. No, nothing on Aaron. You need a candle to break above. Candle closure above here, you can look for your entry on this. Nothing else. Candle must close above. It can be over here. It can be over here. It can be here, here, here. I don't know where it will break. So you can use the 5 minute exactly how I've done it. You can draw exactly the same trend. And then you can just wait for the candle to close above. ASTS. I just went over ASTS. On ASTS, this one's still bullish. I like it. Maybe we are going to do something like this. Bullish sector though. I like it. Solar. Looks good. What is this? ASTS prediction. Yeah, I like it. Should be good. Gonna try and look for entries on this next week probably. Looks good. Game, whatever game. I don't know why people are pumping game. Eric, what up? Let's go. What up? Let's go. Football, yes. ASST, good little trading range. ASST. No, ASST is terrible. Happy Friday. Anything on ACHR? ACHR at the moment, yeah, nothing. You can see the volumes died off on this. If you're trying to look for an entry, maybe above this 440. ACHR, wait for 440 break to look for entries. And anything below, no entries. So ACHR, wait for 440 break. Yeah, 440 break, then you can look for entries, all right? Anything lower, nothing. XTIA need 0.062. Bivy, I don't know why people love this Bivy. Bivy is nothing on Bivy. I don't know. I don't like Bivy. Bivy is not my kind of play. So you have this, yeah, Bivy, nothing. You're just ranging. Bivy has a resistance right here, so 355. Look for a close above 355 to take possible entries. Anything below is your no entry zone. So anything below is not an entry. If it closes above 355, fantastic. You can take the trade. Wait for 355 break. All right. BORR, 20% down. Yeah, BORR, trash. Not a good stock at all. I don't know why people are looking at these plays, to be honest. I mean, I'm sure they're bag holding or whatever it is. Bearish. All right, cool. Get back to you guys now on YouTube. Let's go BSFC. This is a very big pump and dump stock. I would avoid this stock at all costs, to be honest. Look, just look at the price action and current history, right? So we can look at this all together. So everybody who likes the stock, look. Straight up, down, pump, up, down, pump, up, down, pump and dump, pump and dump, pump and dump, pump and dump, pump and dump. And here, nothing, right? Then look at the overall trend, extremely bearish, downtrend, you know? So it's just nothing. I know maybe it's at 52-week low. People like to trade that kind of style. Yes, it's due a run if that happens and all that kind of stuff. But for me to trade this, no, thank you. All right. STI. STI was the winner in Discord. Right now you have STI. We have a downtrend on STI, so nothing on it. So we have this, right? Or you can wait for this resistance here at 0.571. 0.571. We have like that, like this. Cool. If I can close above, maybe you can look for your entries on this 0.571. So what are we thinking? Yeah, STI, you can keep this on watch because it did have a nice move to the upside earlier, but it just came straight down. Doesn't look like it was strong enough. Needs 0.571 break. 0. All right, so you guys know with the purple line. If you don't know what the purple line is, you're lucky it's Friday and I'm in a good mood. So what I will do is I will explain what the purple line is. So press 1 if you don't know what the purple line means and what you need to do. Because I know most of you guys from Twitter don't know what it is. If you are in the Discord, you know what it is. Do. Right, what is this? HAO. HAO, 4% up. Yeah, let's like up the stream, guys. Let's go. Like up the stream. It's Friday. Let's get to 700 likes. Come on. HAO, nothing. He has too many resistance levels. I would just focus on this 0.262. Maybe above 0.262 would be nice for entries. Anything below is like nothing for me. HAO, wait for 0.262 break. Right. I'm going through everyone's questions, right? I see everybody's questions. Just bear with me. There's a lot of questions, so I'm going through all of them. SYTA, 15%. SYT, I took a little L on this earlier. Nothing unless 180 break. Close above 180, then you have clean range to the left. Try and enter now. You have this in the way, this in the way, this in the way. SYTA, wait for close above 180. Since I've been talking about that purple, let's see if anyone's put any number ones. Nice, we have 1, 1, 2 ones. Okay, cool. Everybody listen up. Every single person listen up. Drop what you're doing, put your headphones up, turn the volume up, listen to what you need to do when you see this chart posted on Twitter, okay? This is what you need to do. Please bear in mind, I use the 5-minute time frame. Here is the 5-minute. You can use the 1 minute if you want. You can use the 15-minute. You can use the 2-second time frame. You can use the daily time frame. Whatever time frame you desire is your choice, okay? So what I'm going to explain is something you need to understand, okay? You need to understand the difference between a breakout and what a fake out is. A fake out is something where a candle has not closed above a resistance. As I've just shown, this purple line is your resistance, okay? There's 180. So you can see that every time we get to 180, we've rejected once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, right? We can see that means that the stock cannot break it. It means that this is now a resistance level. So what do we start at? This is my candle here, the white thing. So we can see this is the wick of my candle. This is the body of my candle, all right? Now, and to confirm a breakout, okay, meaning that it is broken above resistance, that it now is trend is changing from a bearish trend, because if something is below resistance, it's bearish usually, okay? So now what we can assume is that if a body of the candle closes above the resistance, this confirms a breakout, okay? Because you see a wick above this and the body is below the resistance, this is called a fake out. It did not close above. There is no confirmation of a breakout. So when people say, oh, it's broken out, it has not broken out, okay? I'm referring to on the 5 minute, maybe on the 1 minute it closed above, right? I am talking about the 5 minute time frame, okay? So we get a 5 minute body close above. This will give you a nice high probability chance of entering the trade. If you enter the trade here, when the body closes above, you have a 70, 60, 70, 80% chance of it going up. But if you are going to enter when there's a body wick down, there is a 60, 70% a chance that it will go down, because it has not proven enough volume. It has not shown that there is enough volume and enough confirmation that this has broken above and there is a high probability of going up. The highest probability of the stock going up is when the body of the candle goes up. That is why I say wait for the break above. So now you know, right? Let's conclude everything what I just mentioned, okay? Now, when I post this on Twitter and you see a chart like this, okay, and I say wait for the break above or anything, when I say wait for the break above, it needs 180. Close above 180 is what it needs. All these this terminology just simply means if the body of the candle closes above here, that is your entry point. All right, that should be clear as day for you to understand what it means when I tell you about and I show you this purple line. All right, let's get back to the questions. Right, AJ fuel cell. Fuel cell Discord. Yes, Alberto. I actually saw someone talk about it. Yes. Game. Did he do sit? Lucid. Guys, EV is all bearish. Trump has just announced that he's going to remove the 7,500 credit to all the EVs. So in my opinion, it's not a good thing. I know he's friends with Elon and all that stuff, but yeah, nothing. LAC is still bullish. Low volume here. We'll see if it does push up. VVPR, for me, I don't see anything on it unless you get a close above 135. So you know what I just explained to you on the other stock? This is exactly the same thing. You know what you need to do here. 173 break is what you need to look for the entry. SPPL. SPPL 55%. Very nice. I'll add this to my watch list. It is running. Right now, I'm not going to take a trade because this is gambling. You're buying at the highest point of the day. The percent of this going down is probably 50-50, right? You're going to have a 50-50 chance in gamble that's going to go up or down. No, thank you. I'm out, right? I like to at least get in 60, 70, 80% chance of going up. Then I will take my trade because I'm here to make money. I'm not here to gamble, all right? Now, your key levels, you can go to the 4 hour. Let's see where the next key levels are. We have a high here, 250. I like to use the 4 hour as my time frame for my resistance level. So 165. And then we have here around $2. All right, so these are your next key levels on SPPL. Key levels. All right, cool. It's free. Damn, I had pancakes and Rex about to fall asleep. Lol. XTIA. I don't know why people love this stock. There's nothing. 6 cents above 620. Otherwise, nothing. SYTA, I went over SYTA already. Yeah, SYTA, I just explained what you need to do with that, so I hope that was clear. What should aren't break above? I'm still trying to understand the break above. Haley, are you serious? On which stock? I hope that made sense, Haley, please. I hope that really made sense to you. You just mark the high, the highest point on these runners. Look, I'll go through any one. BEMF, where's the highest point? You can use this right here. Here's the highest point. Draw the purple line like that. IBG, highest point here, candle body, 165. GREE, highest point of the body is here, 417. See? 5 minute time frame, everything. Use the body, not the wicks. Use the body. The body is this thing here. This is the body, that's the wick. AREN, let's do this one. right? Now you have AREN, same thing. The highs right here, do it. Same thing over and over and over and over again. Right, this is just one simple strategy. I don't use it. I personally don't use it, but it's a very simple strategy that you can do. HIMS, it's a very good stock. I like it long term, Oscar. MTEM. MTEM for me, nothing on MTEM. Too many wicks around here. There's a lot of noise. Maybe above 0.70. Like about 237. Bivy. Yeah, I just went over Bivy. I hope you saw that. Bivy 355 or nothing. BSFC STI. Guys, I don't know why everyone's obsessed with this STI. There is nothing on STI unless you get a close above 0.5710. I will put it on Twitter. You guys can take a screenshot, put it on your wall, and then you can save it so you know what you need to do. Wait for close above 5710. So now you've learned something, and now you can implement this to your trading. So now you know you can just wait for the break above the high, and then you can look for your entry. That's it. What's your thoughts on all the whales? Silent majority of all shares recently. I mean, I don't know if they did it recently, like maybe before elections, but Buffett's looking to buy again. He's like 320 billion in cash right now, but he's going to start buying. I mean, it is what it is. Like in terms of market, like yeah, maybe they can predict or they know, you know. But for me, I don't really get caught up in the large cap market or, you know, all these hedge funds and all that kind of stuff, because I trade my way, and my way is very different to theirs. I'm not there to long-term invest. I'm there every single morning to look which play had news and run and give me the volume, and I trade that. So there's always that every single day. So that's what I do. But whether that's what the people are doing, holding out and all that stuff, maybe there's a crash and all this, like it doesn't affect the way I trade, because there will always be volume in the market, whether there's a crash or not. There will be news. It will keep running. One stock will run. There'll be sectors when the market crashes. Oil will go up. You know, there's always different plays to trade when the market is in different situations. So that's my take on it. I just don't get caught up in the whole like macro side, I guess, of it. BNF. Hope that helped. Thoughts on game? Why is everyone? I got a question. Why is everyone talking about game? There's about the 7th person who's asked about game. What is going on with game? I don't see anything going on with game. Has it had news or something? I see it's had news. Here, GameStop is increased attention. He sold his stake in Chewy. Oh, I mean, I don't know. It's just a gambler's stock, this, in my opinion. These are your levels, 29.79 and 33.70. I expect it to continue to go up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, pump, up, down, pump. KXIN, another one that people love. KXIN, I've talked about this one already. KXIN's bearish, nothing on this for me. Needs to break above the downtrend to enter the trade. Purple line, wait for candle close above. Yes, correct. Or no entry. Yes, look at STI and SST. UAVs could have continuation. My prediction on UAVs is nothing unless you get a close above 411. Your close above 411 is your indication to enter the trade, right? X4. Does everybody understand the purple line now, right? Everybody understands it. Should be clear as day. If it's not, then I really have issues. I don't know, maybe someone else has to translate something, but I can't really explain it any easier than what I've just done. X4, I don't really like something like this. There's absolutely no volume. You do have a wick fill at 0.5, so maybe that's the next level. Agree, another bump. Let's see, agree. No, agree's not doing anything. AREN, no. STI, no. TCBP, no. Yeah, SMPL looks like the best, or SPPL, sorry. IBG's looking not great. Okay. Yeah, there's not really any other setups, to be honest. DATS is trash. It's just gonna run with Mr. Trumpy, but it ain't doing anything. I don't know, it broke above here, but it didn't even run, so this is your next resistance. 254 break, it is making high highs, high lows. It's trying to keep running. Doesn't break this low here at 215, it should continue to go up. SI. Nothing for me. This is an extremely bearish chart. I'm not too sure what you see on this. Maybe 52-week low or something, but as I mentioned earlier, I don't trade something like that. Cero FDA clearance, 22%. How's it looking on this time frame? Yeah, Cero is looking all right. These are your next key levels here. I'll use the 1 hour for this since we have some levels. 2740. Yeah, these are your next levels for Cero. Former runner as well. This used to run pretty nicely. Weesa. I haven't had that ticker in a while. Weesa. Weesa tried to run up. Needs close above $2. Do. All right. Yeah, everyone's hopping on this GameStop. Like, whether it runs or not, cool, but like everyone needs to just relax. Like, here's your levels. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look here. Let's see X4, green, nice map, CC. Tiger, there's no question. So when you draw the falling wedge on Bennett, the reason we jump back in is what's on a purchase hedge funds or when. The reason it goes back up is because it's in a bullish reversal pattern. Bullish reversal pattern means you expect price to reverse and go to the upside. So you'll see often not that trend or that pattern forms, and then you can get confluences with it, which I look for and I talk about in the Discord. That's my strategy, and that's not automated, no. But yeah, it's just a bullish reversal pattern. So usually when there's a downtrend, right, you have to see the difference between a downtrend and a falling wedge. It just takes practice. CNSP is absolute trash. Nothing less 0.15. Luna, I don't know. I like the stock long term. My opinion's good. It's in this demand zone. Just trying to reverse up. We'll see. Didn't really do much yesterday. AREN 236. AREN's nothing unless 234. If it doesn't close above 234, I don't care. PLTR, they had good earnings and they. Yeah, PLTR is very bullish. Very, very nice. Probably pull back to around 57 level to continue to go up. Guys, listen here. BTCT, BCT, whatever, Mara, Hut, Riot, Can, all of them, they just follow Bitcoin. So if you want to look at these plays and what's going to happen, technicals don't really mean much on this. This will just follow Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin drops now, this will come straight down. If Bitcoin goes up, this will go straight up. That's kind of how it is. Right now, there's nothing going on with this. 28, 25... 2850 is your next level. Same as BTCT, yeah, same thing. X4, no, nothing on this. I've done it. I don't like a chart like this. You have room 2.5. Oh, got a huge star. Okay. No. But have you already covered Mara? No, I haven't. Let me have a look. But like I said, this just follows Bitcoin. We're still in this falling wedge. We don't have a demand zone anymore, so it's kind of falling more than a demand, more than a falling wedge. But we'll see. Held 2050 very well though. Weesa, perfect example, perfect line. I mean, everything is. There's loads of them. Weesa. Yeah, Weesa you can do. There's everything. All of them. Weesa, BNF, nothing on this. So BNF doesn't look good at the moment. Just strong downtrend. I would just do something like this, draw the high here, wait for 291, close about 291, then you can enter. All right. Guys, this person keeps spamming the same ticket or whatever. BEMF is no entries unless 291. No entries. I do not care anything below the price of 291. BEMF, I don't care about anything unless it closes above 291 for entries. That should be very clear what that means. Hey, what do you think about snow earnings? I can't predict earnings, brother, unfortunately. It's impossible to know. I don't know what will happen. I have no idea. I have no idea what will happen. I don't even know when the earnings are. It's currently bearish, trying to push up. Yeah, nothing. I mean, it's reversing of a support level. That's all I can tell you. But yeah, I have no idea, unfortunately. I can't predict something like that. Shopify, I don't know, it's pulling back to a support level. Your support level's here, 106.20. Area, once again, explanation if you have time, else can follow up in Discord. AREN here, Saban Khan here, 234 break above, otherwise nothing, just leave it, alright? Or you can wait for something like this. You can draw the downtrend if you want and wait for that to break. Otherwise, you should not be in this trade right now. No, do not get in the trade. It's going down, 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 down. I don't know how low it will go. I don't know how low. All I can tell you is that if it breaks a downtrend, you can look for entries or you can wait for 234. Personally, I would wait for 234 because then you have the highest chance of making money. Okay, let me have a look and see what else is moving quickly. Got to sort out some things in Discord in a minute. I'll be here for another 10 minutes, guys. So post some questions, tickers. I caught up with everyone, which is cool. Cool. All right, QUBT. Look, something like this is down 32%. Not interested. QBTS, not interested. UAVs, not interested. ACHR, not interested. MVST, not interested. BTCS, not interested. LAC, not interested. That's it. So we have SYTA. This looked good. It's trying to push up into open. Very, very nice. Am I going to enter now? No, but there's a high probability that you can probably get around 5% on this. So if you want to enter, yeah, it's worth entries, to be honest. Just have a max 5% stop loss, I would suggest. SYTA curling up into open. So if you want to take a trade, this is worth it. This is worth it. IBG, I don't know, this one's weird. It just came straight down. I'll just remove this one off my watch list. Oh, yeah, off my watch list. Gree is going down. Yeah, you should not be in Gree. I literally explained the stock. Do not enter Gree unless it closes above 417, guys. Just sell it. Sell it now. If you want to hold, you can do it. But I'm telling you the highest probability way of making money. The highest probability way of making money is if it's closed above 417. That's it. Trying to buy now, it can go down all the way down, all the way. Close above here can go all the way up. Right? You don't know what's happening here. This whole zone here, anything below this whole thing here is your no trade zone. Red, danger, no, out. Does that make sense? Nothing. Anything below Gree, nothing. Your entry point on Gree is Gree. No entries unless 417 break. All right. You get 417, then you can take the trade. AREN, no. STI, no. TCBP, nope. BEMF, no. BEMF, let me check BEMF. BEMF, no. SPPL, strongest setup into open, expecting this one to run. This is the only play I see. SPPL, yeah. Let SPPL form a downtrend. Let it come down. Let it come down. It will do this. It will have to come down. It will come down. When it comes down, you wait for the break above, then you enter your trade and goes up. You see? So wait for your downtrend to break. NVIDIA, oh, I feel the... Oh, wow. Nice. Large caps cooking. Cero. Sarah, that was the runner earlier, wasn't it? Yeah, Sarah looks good. Let me just add this one. I know, let's keep this for Hassie. I'm sure he'll be watching play. Yeah, this was your wick fill here. You see these levels? Needs a pullback though. Needs the pullback. Has to come down. Jake Paul's winning. Who's winning the fight? Jake Paul versus Mr. Mike Tyson. Nah, to be honest, I don't know how Jake Paul. He has no chance. Ain't no way. Damn, Sarah's gone. Gone. TWG. TWG is nothing for me. TWG is bearish. Strong downtrend. Alright, guys. I don't think I'll be posting much. I'll maybe post 1 or 2 plays because I've got to head out literally in 20 minutes. So, well, not 20, like 6:40, like 30 minutes. So I've got to head out pretty much a market open because I've got to go play football. But due to clocks change, it's been a little bit of a mess up. It's an hour later here, the market open. Obviously in the US, it's an hour behind. But yeah, so I don't know if I will be posting on Twitter anyway. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I hope you have a great evening, afternoon, and make sure that you have a stop loss. Finish the week strong. Finish the week strong. If you don't want to trade, you don't have to trade. Just remember that. SI, nothing. Strong downtrend, bearish, absolutely nothing. If you want to make money in the market, focus on these plays here. Take a screenshot, save it, whatever you need to do. These are the highest probability setups, all right? I think that SPPL is a good trade to watch. I think that AREN is a good play to watch. I think that GREE is a good play to watch. And I think that Cero is a good one to watch as well. So those are the plays. SPPL, we have AREN. AREN, wait for 234. Write it down on notes. Take a photo of it. Whatever you need to do. 234 break is your entry point. 417 break on GREE. SPPL, you have 165, then $2. All right. Have a great weekend. See you guys on Monday. Peace.